All right, I'm going to make just a small video. Every week I'll start putting videos in that will help us with some of the lecture because our class is a lab class. We want to visually have the whole time we're in class to work on lab stuff. So the one thing I see as a very great asset to us here is using recordings, and that way, it'll let you know what to expect. I had been aiming to do this way before now, and with things, we let it get away from us. But I'm going to walk through real quick about what you need to know for your midterm project that you guys are going to be working on. We're going to start on it Thursday when we come into class, and so this will be all about what we've already done in chapters 1 through 4. Chapters 1 through 4 you're supposed to be reading outside of class, and what we need to understand is that chapter work will help us understand how to get the project, and with me showing you some things that we'll do in class in researching it, but it will walk you through what you need for whatever computer, laptop, whatever device you choose. And so let's go through it real quick. Chapter 1 talks about what is a computer, and it breaks it down, and it tells you about the input, the processing, the output, and storage, and it will tell you how in the cloud, how it processes, cycles the information that you input into it, the data, and how it's raw data at first, and then when you put it into the machine, it makes it as data to send out, either whatever way you want to do it. It's going to tell you everything about the computer, the hardware and the software. It's going to say about the different types of devices. A lot of people are using phones and they've got all-in-one computers. I'm not making this be anything that's going to be, you got to do a laptop or a desktop. No, you can choose whichever you want. It tells you about notebooks, tablets now are coming in to place. Computers then and now really is amazing. Then, back way when, it would take a whole room for a computer. Now they're so tiny. So, small is better for anybody. Don't do well on our eyes, but small is better. And it talks about how there's servers, and everybody, gets into a server. And so that's the way we are here at the college. But the one thing I wanted to tell you about this is I really found out yesterday. I had a doctor's appointment, and, everybody I've been to lately with the doctor, they say, we are now going online. Your medical records will be online for you to get. Well, yesterday, my 2 o'clock appointment didn't get seen till 4:30 appointment because they're learning new software that's going to put all the medical things online, and the doctor was apologizing. But this is a big thing. Like every doctor's office is going this route, and so the book talks about that, about how the user connects to a server using a computer, and then the clients and all are what is connected. Then it's going to show you an example of a computer network. You need to know about a printer, about a shared printer. You can set your own home computers up as shared network with your wireless router. Everything we get now is wireless capability, your printers, your computers, and your devices, your phone devices. And you can make a little network at your home that will share all this information and all of this to all of your devices that's in the home, and for anybody that is in the home as well with their devices. So it talks about that. And then chapter 2, we're going to go into more about the digital data, and it talks about what a kilobyte is, what a megabyte is, a gigabyte. You need to know when you go to a shop for that computer. I mean, now it's nothing to hear about a terabyte for sale. So you need to know these options when you go to search for your computer, so you're getting the best deal. And that's just, it talks about the multi-core CPUs. We found this out the other day when we were searching for that HP computer, when it gave us the specs on that. And we've walked through these steps, and we've purchased RAM. We've seen how easy it was. You can even buy a hard drive if you want to, and you get the need to want to try something. Buy a hard drive and take a machine and put a hard drive in it. And it's very neat to see how you can literally take that hard drive new, put it in the machine, take Windows and install it on it, and it's not that big of a deal. I've changed out many hard drives. So you want to look at your size of your computer, what you want to purchase. Do you want a good monitor? Do you want an HD monitor? All that's going to be inside your midterm. So the chapter in 2 talks about storage. What size hard drive are you wanting to get? Do you want a CD-ROM? You got to make sure that you check that out, because a lot of the computers now They don't even have CD-ROMs in them. So, you know, you want to make sure that you check that out before you purchase it, because if you need that CD-ROM, then you better make sure that you get that put inside that purchase order. And all of them have card readers now in them. I mean, every machine now usually has a card reader that you can stick your little memory RAM or your memory from like your cameras or something inside the computer to get them off. So chapter 2 goes in depth about that. Chapter 3 is going to talk about applications. You know, without applications, your computer is just a bunch of, you know, it's just a pile of hardware if you don't have the applications along with that. And, you know, it's going to walk you through some of the functions of the operating system. So you got to realize, do I want to go ahead and go with Windows 8, or am I going to step up and go ahead and take Windows 10 to the next level because Windows 10 is available? So, you know, these are the things that you got to talk about with your group member, and you got to try to figure out what is it that you're going to look for. And so the software, there's going to be different kind of applications that you might need. Office right now, see, if this was for a student's reason, right now Office is free. You can download it and put it on your computer, so you wouldn't have to purchase Office, but somebody might not get it free, and then you would have to take that into the expense of what it costs. And then, you know, if you like playing with publishing, you're going to have video editing software. So all these things need to be planned before we start this project, and then when we come to class, you know, we're going to put it to start putting it together. Thursday we'll meet and we'll put you in your groups and we'll go ahead and get started. Now chapter 4, it talks about the networking. Your class yesterday, you were supposed to do a drawing of having 2 computers with a printer, and you were supposed to go get the router and you know, create that topology. And so, you know, you need to make sure that you understand what it is about a wireless router and about networking media, about what we have to do to set up this kind of communication, what can communicate with it. We explained about Wi-Fi in the book, and then it explained the WiMAX. And you know, these things you need to know before you come to class Thursday. So my suggestion is that you read all of these chapters before you come to the class, and then we're going to start the project, because this 1 through 4 will walk you through what you need to in order to create this project. And make sure that you do your SAMs outside of class. That's your reduced seat time. Make sure that anything that we have in Moodle, that you're doing that. You should already be to chapter 4. And so if you've missed a forum discussion or something like that, please make sure you go back and you check, because that's what you have to do. Inside class, we'll do labs. So outside of class, you're going to have to work towards making sure your assignments are complete. I will update this video and put it in our Moodle course. And if you have any questions, you feel free to email me or call me. My work number is 642-7141, and it's extension 216. And you can email me at glenda.cable@sccnc.edu. We're going to use more of Google Docs and Word for the project, so we can show you what you can do with either. And so come Thursday prepared with 1 through 4 read, and know what you're going to want and what you're going to be searching for, and go ahead and make contact with your group person. And we need to have an outline of what kind of computers you want to find, what name brand, and what you have on your mind as far as for your project. We will turn these projects in after we get back from our fall break. The first night of class that we get back from fall break, we will make sure that the rest of the class time we finish it up. Then you'll turn it in for your midterm. So just make sure you know that you got to communicate with your partner outside of class, because you can't get it done in class. This is going to take some outside time of meeting or working together in order to get this finished. Look forward to Thursday, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm glad to try to help in any way I can. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Bye.